Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Time Blocking 101, a powerful productivity technique that can help you get more done in less time. If you often find yourself overwhelmed with tasks or struggling to stay focused, time blocking might be the solution you need. Let's explore what time blocking is, how to implement it, and the benefits it can bring to your daily routine. First, let's define time blocking. Time blocking is a time management method where you divide your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or group of tasks. Instead of working through a to-do list in a haphazard manner, you allocate specific time slots for each activity. This structured approach helps you stay focused, reduces distractions, and increases your overall productivity. To get started with time blocking, the first step is to identify your tasks. Take a moment to list all the tasks you need to accomplish for the day or week. This can include work-related tasks, personal errands, meetings, and even self-care activities. Having a clear understanding of what you need to do will help you allocate your time effectively. Next, it's important to prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal, so determine which ones are most important or time-sensitive. Consider using a prioritization method, such as the Eisenhower matrix, to categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. This will help you focus on what truly matters and ensure that you're spending your time wisely. Once you've identified and prioritized your tasks, it's time to create your time blocks. Start by looking at your calendar and blocking out specific time slots for each task. Be realistic about how long each task will take, and don't forget to include breaks. For example, you might allocate 9 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. for a project, followed by a 15-minute break, and then 10:15 a.m. to 11 o'clock a.m. for emails. The key is to create a schedule that works for you and allows for flexibility. As you create your time blocks, consider using color coding to differentiate between different types of tasks. For instance, you could use one color for work-related tasks, another for personal errands, and a third for self-care activities. This visual representation can help you quickly see how your day is structured and ensure a balanced approach to your time. Now that you have your time blocks set up, it's crucial to stick to your schedule. Treat each time block as an appointment that you cannot miss. This commitment will help you stay focused and minimize distractions. If you find yourself getting sidetracked, gently remind yourself to return to the task at hand. It may take some practice, but over time, you'll develop the discipline to follow your time blocks. Another important aspect of time blocking is to review and adjust your schedule regularly. At the end of each day or week, take a moment to reflect on what worked and what didn't. Did you underestimate the time needed for certain tasks? Were there unexpected interruptions? Use this feedback to adjust your future time blocks and improve your scheduling process. One of the significant benefits of time blocking is that it can help you reduce procrastination. When you have a clear plan for your day, it's easier to get started on tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Additionally, knowing that you have dedicated time for each task can alleviate the pressure of trying to fit everything in at once. Time blocking also encourages better work-life balance. By scheduling time for personal activities, hobbies, and self-care, you ensure that you're not just focused on work. This holistic approach to time management can lead to increased satisfaction and well-being. In conclusion, time blocking is a powerful technique that can help you get more done in less time. By identifying and prioritizing tasks, creating structured time blocks, and committing to your schedule, you can enhance your productivity and reduce stress. Remember to review and adjust your blocks regularly to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this introduction to time blocking helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.